Everybody, and welcome back on my channel. In today's video, I am going to address these comments that I have here. This person talked about the fact that I don't talk on how to use glycolic acid on the face, and I only talk about how to use it on the armpit. Glycolic acid has so many uses. Some people use it on their skin for dandruff. Yes, you can apply it on your scalp as well. Some people use it bikini line on their armpit, blah blah blah. It works so well on my armpit. This is one thing that I use on my armpit, especially maybe 3 days after shaving as well. It helps me to stop bumps and stuff like that. But this person is accusing me of not talking about it on how to use it on the face, which I have, but I'm going to do it again. So today we are going to talk on how to use glycolic acid on the face. The very first thing I want to talk about is whenever you're applying glycolic acid on your face, some people don't even know when to use it. Some people will ask me, should I wash it off after applying it on my face? So I will just explain everything now. So when you wash your face, whenever I want to use glycolic acid, I use black soap, or I use any mild soap that does not contain like salicylic acid, retinol, blah blah blah. I don't move near those things when I know I want to use glycolic acid. So I use glycolic acid after washing my face. This is the very first thing that goes on my face after washing my face. So I wash my face with a mild soap. You can have any mild soap around, or maybe any hydrating face cleanser as well. That's the best thing for you to use, honestly speaking. That's why I always encourage people, when you're getting your face cleanser or when you're getting your face wash, buy the one with chemical exfoliant and buy the hydrating, the gentle one as well, because the one with chemical exfoliant is not advisable for you to use every day, but the other one you will be able to use it every day. Your skin is going to get used to that and work with that product as well. So get a very mild thing to wash your face. So when you wash your face, you are going to wait till your face or your skin gets dry. That's the thing. A lot of people make that mistake because you've had a lot of times that they will tell you to apply it on a wet skin or on a not so dry skin or on a damp skin. If you apply your own like that, there's a probability of you not getting 100% result using glycolic acid. You apply the glycolic toner on a dry skin. So when your skin is dry, should be when you apply the glycolic toner on your face. Reason because there is not going to be anything blocking it from entering into your skin. There's not going to be anything stopping it or washing it away from your skin. It's not going to just stay on the surface of your skin. It's going to be able to penetrate deeper into your skin. You are going to leave it to go sink into your skin before you start going in with your serum, like niacinamide, like hyaluronic. That is the way you're going to use your glycolic acid. Another thing about this product is please avoid the circle of your eye. Around this area, don't use it there. This side, don't use glycolic, don't even near it. Don't put it in that area as well, because it's going to make it very, very sensitive, and you might actually develop a darker eye circle in that area as well whenever you're using glycolic acid toner. Another thing I want to talk about is whenever you want to use glycolic acid on your face, please, and you have acne as well, you have pimples on your face, don't use your nails to pop it and leave it like a wound, then now apply glycolic acid on it. There's a probability of that area even becoming darker than expected because it's going to burn that area. So when you know that you have something like that on your face, acne on your face, just leave it that way and apply your glycolic acid toner on it. Trust me, it's going to dry off. And this is another thing again, another little tip that I want to put in. If you know you have acne, instead of you popping it, get azelaic acid and just mask it on that area. It will go down in 24 to 48 hours. It's going to go down. In as much as you're not touching it, it's definitely going to go down. So these are ways that I use glycolic acid toner. You don't wash it. After washing your face, this is the first thing that comes on your face when your face is dry, before you now go in with hydrating serum, hydrating face cream. Okay, don't combine glycolic acid with salicylic acid with mandan. Pick a struggle, pick just one. Combine everything together. This one is actually very, very strong. To be honest, it's strong on the skin. So having to combine it with salicylic acid, mandelic acid, blah blah blah, is going to just be very, very bad on your skin, and it's going to damage your skin barrier. Again, before I forget, glycolic acid will render your vitamin C useless. So there might be no reason for you to use it with it. So if you are using glycolic acid, just stay on your hydrating lotion or your hydrating serum and use your moisturizer and your sunscreen the following morning as well, because your skin might still be sensitive. But if you're using vitamin C, you're just wasting your vitamin C because it will probably be useless. And this is the reason why they always say use vitamin C in the morning, because they know people don't really use active products in the morning. So it is effective that way, especially when you pair it up with a very good sunscreen. So the people always think that you have to combine so much of them together for you to get results. Instead of you having to combine so much of this active ingredient together, why not focus more on hydrating serum that are more mild on the skin, instead of combining strong glycolic acid, salicylic acid, everything together. So whenever I'm using it, I wash my face with black soap. I use black soap sometimes, and I make sure that I don't mask the black soap on my face. That's another thing. When you mask soap on your face and you leave it for too long and your skin is so tight, and then you go wash it off and you now apply this thing on your face, you apply the glycolic acid on your face, it's going to feel pepperish. That's one thing I've noticed. All of these things I'm talking about in this video are some things that I get to know while using. Like I said, it's one of my stable active ingredients in my skincare routine, so I know almost like the in and out of this particular one. So yeah, I make sure that I don't mask it on my face, because the day I tried it, it was as if they poured pepper. I actually have to start checking if someone is just being wicked and mix something with it. So this is how you use it. Don't wash it off. Another thing I want to say is, even though you go online to go search, they are going to tell you to use it every day. My brothers and sisters, I am begging you, don't damage your skin barrier. Please, three times is even okay a week. 3 times is okay. Treat your skin more on product that helps you moisturize as well. When you have a very good hydration in your routine and a very good moisturizer in your routine, and you have all those good stuff other than the active ingredients, your skin is going to change as well. Don't piece off your skin barrier every time, because it's going to remain unsettled and you're going to have 1 or 2 things to actually have to deal with. This is the way that I use glycolic acid, and I hope this actually helps, and I hope this person is going to stop attacking me. And yeah, glycolic acid is good. Use at night. Another thing, advisable to use at night. Even if you're in Nigeria right now, even if you try using glycolic acid in the morning, I know your body is going to tell you, because the weather is freaking hot. Use glycolic acid at night, please. Thank you guys so much for being part of my video. Before you go, please smash the subscribe button and turn your bell notification on. I am going to talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.